Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a TV remote. So I'm first going to start out by drawing a curved line up here and then just keep bringing it down. It's amazing how many types of remotes are out there in the market. I mean, when I was growing up, it was my sister and myself, there was only one type of remote, which was the TV remote, and then actually the remote for the what is it called, the videotape player or the VHS player, and that was it. But now you have remotes that can control all the appliances you need in your house, from your TV to your stereo and I think everything in between. So it's amazing how much the technology has advanced to just let alone on your remotes. You guys remember the movie with Adam Sandler? The movie, I think it's called Click. I think that was a funny movie to how the director put a spin on what a remote could do in your life, where it could fast forward through life, rewind life, play life, pause life. Gosh, that would be I don't know, scary and exciting remote at the same time to have. So yeah, that was interesting when that movie launched. And personally, I don't really think I would want a remote in my life. I'm happy with the pace it's going now. I wouldn't want to fast forward, rewind, or play any areas of my life. And because I think honestly, at the end of the day, every part of your life that you go through is there for a reason. So, alright, enough of the motivational talk. So let's draw the first button. Just gonna draw a round circle. I think this would be for the mute button. Then I'll draw another button on top over here to the right. This would be the turning it on and off. Oh yeah, and I forgot to draw this little plastic thing that kind of sticks out. I think that's what sends the remote signal from the remote to the TV. Now I'm going to draw one of many buttons. Call it number 1. 111. Draw the next one. This video is definitely an exercise in drawing circles for sure. It's not a very good circle, but it gets the point across. Now the number 4. I think what I'm going to do to speed this up is just going to make a copy of that, and to keep it a little different, I'll make one over here, merge that down, make another copy maybe of this one. This is the really cool thing about doing a how to draw channel with a tablet, is you can make things unique like this and just show people how you can just make a duplicate of some lines with just the click of a button, and then boom, let's turn this around, and now we have our buttons. And for anybody that's following along still, thank you. Pretty much what I did was, just to speed up the process, is just use these circles and just make duplicates of them, and because otherwise I would just have to manually draw them in. So now I'm going to put the 4, 5, 7, 8, and Mr. 9. Now I'm going to draw these the controller that controls the VCR as well. I never knew what this button in the middle does, and I think it was just there for aesthetics, not really do anything. Now I'm going to draw the play button. I'm just going to write the word play in it. And draw the next button, which is stop. And draw the rewind button now. Just going to draw the other fast forward button and then just write the text in after doing this. And now I'm going to draw these little buttons that are at the bottom, and once again I don't know what these buttons are for, but I'm guessing if this is one of those remotes that had the option to control more than one device, the buttons over here at the bottom would be for that, because everybody knows the ones at the top and then the ones we just did, which is the play, or the play, stop, fast forward and rewind. And if you can hear all those noises in the background, guys, I apologize for that, because I think it's nearly near to impossible to record in somewhat of silence. So there we have it, people. We have our lovely TV remote. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.